The dish I'm making for you today is braised quails served with shimeji mushrooms, maize rice risotto. We're using Aromat to season our bed. Very clean dish. Okay, now we're gonna get going with browning. What you want is to end up with this beautiful golden color. At the end, when you take a bite, it's nice and soft, but it's crispy on the outside. Oh, how beautiful is that? We're going to start making our braising sauce. And for that, we need onion. So you want to cook your onion and corn flour for about a minute. Time to go in with the wine. Ooh, magic. We're going to allow our wine to cook out. Okay, so now we're going to let our quail braise for 20 minutes. While that happens, we're gonna get going with our risotto. We'll first start by sauteing our spring onion, thyme, garlic, and I'm choosing shimeji mushrooms. Ooh. Just one key ingredient missing. All those flavors, happiness in a pot. And it's time to add in our maize rice. Add our stock, parmesan, and give it a nice stir. Now our risotto is ready, the quails are ready, and we're gonna go plate. Add delectable gravy. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you braised quail on a bed of shimeji mushrooms, maize rice risotto. Voila!